Hey you guys, it's your girl Stephanie. Ask and you shall receive. Today I'm going to show you the grid. Let's go. All right, ready? Here we go. You're coming in. Here we go. Baby's first steps. Welcome to the JetPens Warehouse. This is our only warehouse, for those that are wondering. Over here are our cubbies for our things, and over here are our employee badges. Since we're a small business, on super busy days, everyone helps out, including the customer service and marketing teams. This is our dashboard, where everyone can see exactly how fast and accurate they're picking and packing. The grid consists of many shelves set up in a coordinate system of columns and rows. So each shelf has an XY grid location, like 405, and each product has a space on the shelf with a unique Z URL, like 461. The XYZ pick locations are what you see on your packing slips. Generally, more popular smaller items are towards the front, and heavier items are towards the back. You can see why we call it a grid. Each product is assigned a coordinate, so it's easy to visualize exactly where it is. For example, if I wanted a high-tech Coletto plus some refills, I come to 41, 210 to 271. I'm gonna grab a body plus baby pink and apple green. Each picking cart is assigned a pile of orders, like this one. Our system pre-sorts each day's orders into separate piles for different carts in roughly 3 steps. First, using the measurements we've taken of our products, our system groups orders of similar total physical volume together. Second, the system sorts similarly sized orders by their grid locations. Let me explain. Say some orders consist of products located in just the green subsection of the grid, some in the blue subsection, and others in purple. Orders consisting of products within just a subsection of the grid are picked together. That way, the picker doesn't have to walk through the entire grid. Of course, some orders require a picker to traverse through the full grid. Those are sorted into their own group as well. The last step is to allocate the orders based on their total volume and grid location into the different cart types. Some carts take mostly smaller orders, like this one that holds a whopping 64 totes to be picked together. We also have cart types dedicated to larger orders, like this one. But today, we're gonna pick this one. Let's go. This is the picking interface that we use. As you can see, the system groups orders that have the same item, so we just have to distribute it across multiple totes. Each tote represents an order. When we first started, we were picking one order at a time. It wasn't too bad when the grid was small, but we really got tired once the grid grew bigger. We then changed to picking multiple orders at a time with a cart to help us carry all the items. Finally, we realized that we can shorten the total walking distance further if we picked in just one subsection at a time. It's super efficient. I mean, I'm about to pick 64 orders, you guys. All finished. Let's get packing. This is my packing station. This is where I live. Welcome, everybody. So as we're packing, each product is barcode scanned or visual scanned to make sure it's the right one. If a product needs a box or other accessory, we get a warning to include it.
Too many.
I grabbed an extra. Our system computes which packaging type to use based on the customer's selected shipping method. Did you hear that sound? That means I picked everything accurately, and now I can pack the order. Everything is within arm's reach to be as ergonomic as possible. We all have comfy chairs, and by the way, the whole warehouse is air conditioned. After all the orders are packed, they get picked up by our mail carriers. What did you think? We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at JetPens Warehouse. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to see all of our new videos. Thanks for watching!